Hello, welcome to my channel. All right, it's been a while. So, what we're going to talk about today is OneDrive, and we're just going to talk about Microsoft OneDrive and how we can restore deleted files from OneDrive. Let's say, for instance, you delete a file mistakenly. You just you're curious, you want to know why or how to get back that file. All you need to do is simply go to your OneDrive, sign in to your OneDrive. If you're not signed in already, you can just go through this uh, pen here, this app launcher just here on your admin center. Then you click on OneDrive. Let's say, for instance, this is what I'm talking about. Let's say I decide to delete I decide to delete this. Okay, let's say all right. I should have a deleted files in the recycle bin. I should have deleted files in the recycle bin. I think let's check the recycle bin and see if we have deleted files already. So, for instance, okay, I think there are deleted files here. So these files has been deleted. You see, we can easily restore these files here, right? And this is the recycle bin. Now I mistakenly deleted here. Instead of trying to restore, I deleted it. Oh, and I delete this one as well mistakenly. And let's say, for instance, I delete all of them, and there's nothing in the recycle bin. Oh my god, I can't find these files, right? I just can't find these files. What happened? Where are my files? Where are my files? I can't find them. So all you need to do is you should know that they have gone to a second stage. uh, there's something we call a second stage recycle bin, right? In OneDrive. So you can't find them here in the first stage of recycle bin, right? So what we need to do is come down, scroll down. When you go to your recycle bin, right? For instance, we're here, and then we can't find them, and then we're looking for it. So just come to the recycle bin, and then you scroll down. You see it here, second stage recycle bin. You click on it, and then you see all four deleted files are here. So I can restore them. Once you restore these files, right, they are going straight to your files and folders, not to the first stage recycle bin. So let's try that out, and we restore this. So it's restored. So let's go back, and it's not here anymore, right? It's not here, so it's going to be here, right? All files are back to here. So if you delete a file, don't forget it's in your first stage recycle bin. If it's not in your first stage recycle bin, then it will be in your second stage recycle bin. So that's all for today. Enjoy your day and have a great time.